his supremacy and preventing challenges from rival gods. Renowned his formidable power, Zeus wields his thunderbolt as his signature weapons, aided by loyal companions Witchhorse and Pegasus. As the deity of thunder, he commands the elements, orchestrating rain, storm, and lightning. Furthermore, his ionic lightning bolts serve as a symbol of his dominion, alongside representations such as the eagle, ball, and oak.
Thunderbolt!